Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up sales goals in Hubspot. To start, go to your Hubspot dashboard and click on Sales. From there, look for Goals in the menu, or you can use the search bar to type Goals and find it under the Apps. Click on it to continue. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot Goals page. You'll see a banner prompting you to create a goal. Click Create Goal and select the type of goal you want. For my example, I'll choose Meetings Booked and then click Set Goal. You'll see a template where you can enter your goal details. Start by giving your goal a name. Let's call it Couple Meetings. Then assign the users and set the cadence to monthly, weekly, or quarterly. Once that's done, click Next. Here, you can set your targets for 2026. For example, I'll set a goal of 5 meetings booked. After entering your numbers, click Next and configure any additional settings, like marking a goal as achieved or missed. Then click Done. Once completed, you can go back to the Goals section and you'll see that your sales goal has been successfully created. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.